1972 Mini. It is about 8:20 in the morning here in beautiful Gozo, Malta. Just gonna do a quick walk around here. Pretty good condition. A little bit of clutch trouble, but nothing major. So let's hop in and do a cold start. So here we are inside the Mini. As you can see, Smith's dials. It's been modified a bunch. Has a old radio, so on and so forth. Yada yada, a bunch of boring stuff. Shift lever. New leather interior, front and rear. Seats. Full headliner. Very good condition. I'm very happy with this car. Now let's see how well I can position this camera here. So we can do a cold start. I do have the idle set a little high right now, so take care of that soon. A little bit of choke. Probably won't even need it. But I put a little bit. The A-spec motors like to run a little bit cold. They're a little hard starting when they're cold. Just kind of nature of the beast. Right now you might notice the vacuum gauge isn't currently hooked up. It's kind of something I haven't gotten around to yet. I only had the car a day, so. Still cold. And soon we'll go for a little spin.